Now let me tell you. Now the industry is following automated process. Okay. Even if users are not there, system will take the decisions and it will automate. Okay. Suppose there is one task was created. Now you haven't performed any action on particular task. After the time was elapsed, system will take the decision what it has to do and it will perform the task. Okay. It will not wait for user intervention. Got it. Okay, let's select an action. Click on Select Action. I'll show you. No below. I have it perform. Yeah, the drop down. Now click on Perform. Action is there. Yeah, you selected one. See what we are doing here. After 2 minutes, if user hasn't taken any action on the task system, it will advance the flow. Understand. Confused and advanced then parameters. Yeah, actually it is asking it, go to your flow. Flow is there. Go to your flow. No, don't create. Don't create. Okay, cancel. Go to your. Yeah, cancel. Go to your flow. That flow is there. It approval. Reject flow. Last but. Okay. Second yeah. Yeah, click on cancel. You open the flow action here. You double click on the connector. Flow action is present on a connector. That flow action has to be submitted right prompt for enrollment. You are creating an SLA on this assignment, right? So open that. Flow action. Yeah, copy that. Prompt for enrollment. So give that flow action there. On the new tab. Is there right? You understand what you are doing here. Whenever the deadline time is reached, you are telling the system to advance the flow. So without user clicking on Submit system will directly submit it. Got it. Confused. Can you tell one more time? Yeah, what I'm telling, what we are configuring here is. Yeah, what we're configuring here is like you in the screen. You system is asking for yes or no, right? Yeah. Suppose you have left the task like that. You are not performing on that task. Okay, not 2 minutes was already done. Now the goal time was completed and the deadline is also completed. Okay. Now, once deadline is completed, what is the action you are giving? Prompt for advance flow. The action is advance the flow, right? So it will submit on its own system, will submit that screen on its own, and it will actually advance. Okay, you got it. Yeah. Now to advance that one. We have to tell that one right. You have to tell the system what you have to advance. You have to advance it flow action. After that assignment you have that flow action only write on the connector. Yes. So you are telling the system you advanced that particular flow. You submit the flow action and you just go ahead. Okay, got it. Now you save this one, save this one. We'll see what is the difference. How? What is the difference? It's coming. Okay, go to your flow. You just assign this SLA to the task. You have to open that. Yeah, you refer this SLA here. You are adding an SLA here. Double-click. Yeah, SLA, you click on down arrow. You will get the SLA you have already created, right? Yeah, task is test SLA. Now you submit it, save it and create a case. And let's see the change. You have taken a screenshot, right? You just keep it handy, open that screenshot. Yeah, now this is a screenshot. Okay, now go and create a case. Go on, create a case EA4. Now it will create EA4. This is an A3 case. Just click on continue. We don't require all those stuff. Just enter the identified vehicle, some data, what else? Some model you can enter. Okay, just click on create. Those are not required. Those are not required. Just submit and no click on cancel. Click on cancel. See the due there. Due is coming due 2 minutes from now. You see the in a screenshot. You there. Yeah, there is no SLA. Now here we are in the user that the deadline is 2 minutes from now. Yeah, okay, and you close this case. You can close this case. Okay, close, in the sense, go to your left side, go to left navigation. No over to the exchange. Yeah, you click on recents. You click on recents. Where it is. What no? No over to the left. Yeah, there you have recents, it on the top. Okay, you open a 3. This is a for it. You just open a 3 and let's wait for 2 minutes. We should not open and keep in our loft. Yeah, we are in a 3. Okay, generally, what will happen? If you have opened that case, the SLA will think that you are still working on the case and it will get skipped. Okay, but in real time the task time will not be like 2 minutes. It will be like 1 hour minimum. 1 hour, like half an hour. It will be there. Right. So by the time you will release the lock. There is a concept of locking in beta. Whenever some case is in your lock, no one can update that case. Okay, if suppose you have opened a 3 case, that case is in your lock, so the. That rule is there, right? SLA will not able to forward the case. So you have opened a different case, so that lock will be in this particular case now and SLA can able to submit that case. You understood? Confused? Shall I repeat? Yeah, there is a concept called locking in beta. Okay, what is a locking is like, one particular case can only be updated by one particular person. One particular person at a point of time at a given point of time. Yeah, now A4 is the case, which was over. That case is in lock with your operator. Means lock in the sense you are working on that case. The system will assume you are working on this case. Okay, lock. The lock time will be ideally 30 minutes, okay? Yeah, after you, if suppose you haven't performed anything until 30 minutes, you will lose that lock. Right. Yeah.